Being pleased by Mahisasur's countless years of devotion and meditation, Lord Brahma granted him his desired boon that no man or god could defeat him in battle. As Mahisasur rained havoc on the heavens, the gods came together in the creation of a new deity, the goddess Durga, arming her with 10 different weapons, one for each of her hands. With these weapons, Durga Ma defeated Mahisasur in battle and restored peace in the heavens and on earth. It is this victory of good over evil that we celebrate today as Durga Puja in the state of Bengal. This year, GM Modular is paying a tribute in the honor of a few among the countless real-life Durgas who, unlike our mother goddess, has only 2 hands, yet they manage to take care of multiple responsibilities, whether it be related to their family or professional lives, through their initiative, Sharod Anjoli.